Bonnie, happy Tuesday! I am back. Check it out. I have got the December Lush kitchen to share with you. It's an out of this world experience. Love it. This is really cool, actually. Buckle up for an intergalactic ride through the refreshing realms of citrus and herbal revelry. Celebrate the holidays in true Lush style with the freshest products this planet has to offer. Enjoy the superstars full of fresh fruits, moisturizing butters, and the finest essential oils. I think this is a really fun take on Christmas. The first thing we got was this cute little bag that says Out of This World Lush Kitchen, so that's fun. And then we got some neat products from Lush. The first one is called Galactic. And I'm actually going to use this one tonight. I'm like super excited. Look at the packaging. You know how Lush does all of this neat packaging, and you got to see this scrub. It is gorgeous. Look at this. It smells so good too. I love a good Lush scrub. This is a really firm scrub. I can't wait to try this one out. It looks like a galactic carnival. Seriously. Scoop a handful of this thick, squishy scrub, massage into skin, rinse clean. I'm not sure what's in here. Mango, peppermint, grapefruit, vetiver. It smells good though. It's got a really like holiday vibe to it, as only Lush can do it. So that was good. We also got, check this out. Open this up here. We got the Space Girl. Check it out. It's the kitchen exclusive perfume. How fun is this? This is the one product that I haven't tried yet. I kind of peeked in the box, but I wanted to save this for on camera to see what I thought. Okay, I'm thinking I'm going to love Space Girl. I like it. Okay. Oh, this is like a fruity kind of grapefruit. Grapefruit, yeah. Grapefruit almond oil. That's interesting. Grapefruit and almond oil. It's like fruity with a festive punch. I love grapefruit. I do. I like Space Girl. Oh, this is so much fun. I love these little perfumes from Lush, by the way. These are fun. I like to stick them in my purse. Yay! Grapefruit and almond. That smells really good. Okay. I'm loving the Lush thing this month. Jingle spells. So we got this cool little galactic bath bomb. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? It is called Jingle Spells. And it is juniper berry, tangerine, ylang-ylang. It smells festive. Again, I like the way they did like this outer space holiday festive vibe. Super fun. And then we got, oh my gosh, check it out. The Celebrate body lotion. Look at how pretty this is. This is Brazilian orange, zesty lime. Bring the party while almond oil and cocoa butter softens. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, you guys. This smells like a party in a cream. Seriously. It's funny. I love Lush. You know, it's like you walk into a Lush store and it's so decadent. You really get the lime in here. It is an orangey lime. Isn't that interesting? It's like that Christmas orange brought to life with a giant burst of zesty lime. Okay, loving that. And let's see. Did I get anything else in here? I did. I got this cool soap. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Oh, this smells really good too. Lush does such unique stuff with their soaps. I mean, like, isn't this, it's like art. It's like bath art. The soap is juniper berry, lime, and gardenia. It smells good. It smells like Lush. It's awesome. So, What happens in December with Lush? I gotta talk about this. So every month I do get my Lush kitchen box. These are $49.95. I love my Lush kitchen box. I don't know why. I stopped it for a month and then I got sad and I started it back up because I love it so much. Everybody uses it in my family too. So I gotta say, we're either using it or I gift some of it, so it's good. So what happens in December with Lush Boxing Day? If you've never experienced Lush Boxing Day, you're in for a treat. So Lush does not go on sale, and it can be pricey. Although I'll have to say their bath bombs are really in line with other companies. I feel like their bath bombs are a deal. Like sometimes you can get a bath bomb for like $7.99, $6.99, a small one. So I feel like Lush is fairly priced with the bath bombs. The other stuff can get a little pricey. So, Boxing Day, which is December 26th. Oh yeah, everything is half price. Sometimes they do it as a buy one, get one. Other times they just do full 50% off. I don't know what they're doing yet this year, but especially the gift boxes. Oh my gosh, people go crazy for the gift boxes on Boxing Day. So if you're wanting to try Lush, mark your calendars, because it coincidentally is also semi-annual sale for Bath & Body Works. Mark your calendar for December 26th and do a little Lush shopping for Boxing Day, 50% off. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy some Lush right now. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.